Why are you doing this way? We can't let Iran have a nuclear weapon. People, they're smarter. I think they're sharper. They say, here's my plan. We're going to attack at 9:47 in the morning, and then we're going to there to say, because I don't mind being insulted. I've been insulted for many years by the Oprah. You just saw two great, and John Ratcliffe, three unbelievable people. They have a plan. Every single thing has been thought out by all of us. The Iranians have, and we've had numerous intercepts. Please keep bombing. Bombs that are dropping near their homes. Please keep bombing. Those areas, they're saying, please come back, come back, come back. These are the people. It's different areas. A woman would go down right between the eyes. They had snipers. They had 5 snipers. That's all it took. And those 400,000 or 500,000 women said, oh my God, what's that? Oh, look over there. What's that? A woman shot right